Hi, welcome back to my channel, Luxe Hush. This channel is all about luxury things for a typical family working woman like me. So if this sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload new video. For today's video, I am so excited to share with you this special and very rare Louis Vuitton that I have purchased recently. Let me introduce to you my Louis Vuitton Speedy 18. I was so excited to open it immediately that I forgot to film the actual unboxing. But let me share with you the videos and some photos that I have taken, and here it is. So here guys is my very rare Speedy 18. It does show some signs of use, and the condition really tells about its age, but I'm so glad that these pieces have still the original pieces intact. A little trivia about the Speedy 18. Based on what I have read, this was created in 1988 in celebration of Louis Vuitton's 10th year anniversary in Japan. There were only 500 of these made back then, which made it very rare to have it now, to have it in such a very good condition. So I'm very lucky to have this on my collection. My only concern on this purse is this black stain by the leather handle, but the rest of it is okay. I can live with that, but my concern is this black spot, which also have the same stain on the other side of the bag. There are some white marks on the bottom of the bag, which I am hoping that can be cleaned. And here's the other side that's showing the black marks on the handle. And here's a look on the zipper. It still zips good, and I see some, I don't know if they tried to glue it up, the zipper pull, the leather on the hardware, but it still works well. I noticed some white marks along the zipper line near the canvas, on the edge of the canvas. I am just not sure if this is due to the cleaning of the hardware or on the coating itself on the canvas, but I notice whenever I clean my vintage bags, specifically the zipper, it leaves some white residue on the zipper line. On this black stain on the leather really bothers me, and it makes me want to bring it to Louis Vuitton to have all the leather replaced. If it was not there, I would prefer to keep it as it is, and I will just clean it up. But we'll see. I will try my best. If this can be cleaned, if it will look better, then there is no need for me to bring it to Louis Vuitton, because honestly, I prefer the look of a vintage bag. I love the honey patina color on the leather. I'm wondering, what is the cause of this darkening on the leather? Do you have any idea? If you know, please comment down below. I am really curious on what could have caused these black marks by the leather. I know the leather will be a lot better after cleaning and conditioning. And I am hoping that these black marks will at least not be so much visible after cleaning and conditioning. And if that's the case, then there is no need for me to bring it to Louis Vuitton. I would love to keep it as it is without changing anything, and we'll see. Now let's take a look on the interior. The interior is still good. It's still clean, though I see some white spots inside, but nothing that bothers me. So here are the inside rivets. We'll go polish it soon. And here's the other side. There. It's quite challenging to take a clear snap of the interior, but here, yeah, there it is. I hope you see the white spots that I was referring to earlier. But overall, it's clean. There is no smell. It's still fine. So yeah, here's my Speedy 18. I think this is a perfect size for me. I'm so glad that I have it. It's not too big, it's not too small, just the right size to carry all my essentials, and especially it does fit my phone. I am using iPhone Max size. So yeah, I am still undecided if I am going to bring this to Louis Vuitton to have all the leather replaced, or maybe I will just try to do it by myself first. Maybe I will try to clean it up, and we'll see if this stain will go away and if it will look better. But if not, I definitely would want to have it replaced at the Louis Vuitton store. For sure, I will be keeping you updated, so please stay tuned. That's it for now. Thank you for joining me on this video. And if you want to know more about the Speedy 18, what's the size, what fits, and the comparison between this one with the Mini HL and the Speedy 25, please do comment down below. That's it for now. Thank you for joining me on this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I have so much LV things, stuffs that I want to share with you. So I hope to see you on my next one. Stay safe, stay happy, and remember, we deserve some Luxe. Bye!